So if you're using Viva Goals and Microsoft shuts it down, what happens to your OKRs? Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to answer some of the most burning questions people have about Microsoft shutting Viva Goals down, including what happens to your OKRs after Viva Goals is shut down? Can you somehow access or export them? Stay tuned. But the first question we're going to answer is, why? Why is Microsoft pulling the rug from under you? Well, it's nothing personal. Viva Goals just never reached the adoption levels Microsoft hoped it would. There weren't a lot of people using it, so Microsoft is simply cutting its losses. The second biggest question some Viva Goals users might have is, how is Microsoft going to help me? What can I expect Microsoft to do? Well, here's what you can't expect Microsoft to do. Microsoft will not migrate your data for you. Microsoft will not offer an alternative product. Well, they will not create a replacement. And the most important part is Microsoft will not extend the shutdown date. Microsoft will not continue Viva Goals past 2025. That is why they announced the shutdown beginning of the year. This brings us to our third question, the one you probably clicked on this video for. So what happens to your OKRs if you're still using Viva Goals by the shutdown date? Well, the bad news is they're gone. Microsoft has given no indication to extend anything or any further support past 2025. So once that shutdown date hits, anything you have on Viva Goals will be gone. But all is not lost, because you still have time to export all of your goals and OKRs from Viva Goals through an API key, as an Excel file, or through PowerPoint. And we've made a detailed video showing you exactly how you can do all of those things, so click the link in the description if you want to learn that. And I can already hear some of you going, but hey, dude on the internet, our company already paid for a Viva Goals subscription that runs past 2025. What's going to happen to us? Are we going to get an extension? No, you're not, but you might actually get a refund. You need to talk to your account rep fast, because while we couldn't find an official statement on the Microsoft website on this very issue, they do tell users to contact their account reps if their subscription runs past 2025. And now, the most important question. We chose Viva Goals because it was an OKR software built into Microsoft. So what are we going to do now? Is Microsoft offering another OKR tool? Is there another OKR solution that fits into Microsoft the way Viva Goals did? Well, the answer is yes. It's not created by Microsoft, but it is an official Microsoft partner, and that tool is Teamflect. Because Teamflect is an OKR software that was designed specifically for the Microsoft ecosystem, specifically Microsoft Teams and Outlook, so it can function directly inside Microsoft Teams and Outlook seamlessly. So your OKRs doesn't really have to leave your Microsoft workspace. We know you love it so much. And the best part is Teamflect covers every single feature that Viva Goals does, but does it better and does so much more. From cascading goals and OKRs to automated goal check-ins to your custom goal terminology, Teamflect has everything you might need in an OKR software seamlessly integrated into Microsoft. You log in with your Microsoft account, you don't need other logins. Teamflect pulls your data directly from Entra ID, so there's not any hassle adopting the product or migrating to it. It's perfect for you. And on top of all of that, since Teamflect is a complete performance management platform, it offers performance reviews, 360-degree feedback, task management, and so much more. Because goals and OKRs in performance management in the actual workplace, they don't operate independently. They should be a part of your performance reviews, your 360-degree feedback, your one-on-one meetings, and Teamflect creates that connectedness and brings visibility to your goals and OKRs. And even though Microsoft doesn't offer a migration service, Teamflect does, for free. We will migrate all of your data, your goals, your OKRs for you, so you don't have to do a thing. And Teamflect also offers a 25% discount to any organization coming in from Viva Goals to Teamflect, no questions asked. So all you need to do is click the link in the description to schedule a demo and tell them you're coming from Viva Goals. That's it. But that about brings us to the end of our video. What did you think? What else would you like to know about Viva Goals shutting down? Just let me know in the comments. Hey, we release helpful Microsoft content like this one every single week. Subscribe so you don't miss any of it. And if you want to learn more about Teamflect or try it for free, once again, click the link in the description. Bye-bye.